Hey, I'm Brian Donigan, president of WeatherTech Renovations. All right, so we were just discussing hail season coming in. The largest thing with us in hail is the fact that when it does hail, you've got people storming through your neighborhoods, most of which any education is nil. They don't know what they're looking for or at. They're merely been told to go to an area that needs to be targeted because somebody told them it hailed there. The size of the hail, the speed of the hail, the thickness of the hail, how dense it is, they have no knowledge of that. So the key for us would be to tell consumers, as far as hail goes, number one, people knocking on your doors generally aren't from there, and they're just trying to find an outlet to start making money. So I would call your agent first, let them know what you found out, and allow your agent to give you a couple options of people that they know, they recommend, to come out and look at the hail. And just find out if it's even damaged. A lot of times the roof's newer, if the hail's soft, if it's not there too long, or the outer cuts for the storm, you're not gonna have damage. And the key to us saying that is that if you don't have damage, you do call the insurance, you make the claim, you're inspired by a roofer to do that. The problem there is if you don't get anything paid for, if you're denied on the claim, or if they only pay for your gutters, light metals, then what that does, those costs rarely exceed the amount of the claim or the deductible. And so you're getting a minor claim that does not exceed your deductible amount, so there's zero payout. And if you do get hail a month from now, they're going to take that number and apply it to the second claim you make. And so it's a really losing situation that roofers do not explain to you because they are trying to achieve the goal of selling you roofs no matter what. And they're willing to take the percentage of 20%, 50%, 60% of people getting them bought, and the people who don't get them bought, they just leave them by the wayside. And so get with your agent, ask for some recommendations of roofers they've worked with, allow that roofer to come over, evaluate what you have going on, offer you some photos, go over with you what he's seeing, show that to your agent, and then move forward with the process of making a claim with the insurance company. But definitely don't allow anyone that knocks on your doors after 5 and on Saturdays in a vehicle that doesn't have a Missouri plate or a Kansas plate, depending on the state you're in or where we're at, we border each other, or 888 numbers. Just calm down a little bit. Hail rarely breaks the shingles to where you're going to leak out right after a hailstorm. So that would be the best advice we would give you moving into hailstorm season, is to just relax a little bit, get with your agent, get a couple recommended people from them, and then move forward from there. Brian Donigan with WeatherTech Renovations. We're out of Blue Springs, Missouri, service both Kansas and Missouri. You can call us at 816-988-8957. And we can get a licensed professional out to take a look at your roof, examine it for hail, and if in fact we do find hail, we can move forward with the claim process with you. Thank you very much.